I'm going to use this little machine and all these parts here. I'm going to pass them over to you, and you're going to kind of put them in there and put this guy together. Alright? These bushings, I'm actually going to just set them right up there. And I want you to take your finger and just slide them right over to the hole where you just drop those pins in. Real quick and just show you so you have some kind of idea of where we're headed now. So we're essentially building the knife in the open position, just like that.
Okay.
Alright? Just to kind of...
Come on, Muffles.
At the same time. There you go. Perfect.
Ooh, cool.
Nice. Alright. So now we have a back spring. And this notch here is going to go right around that large pin. So feed it right over that little one. Now we make the second layer. It goes on just like this. This notch is going to go right around that big one again. Perfect. Alright, now we do the big blade. It goes on just like this. It's going to go on the far left. Next small blade. Just like that. It's going to go right on top of that spacer. Take it so it's pointing straight out to the right. So I want to match up with that little spacer piece. There you go, just like that. Pull it back towards you. Keep going until it stops. Doesn't have to be hard. Just like that. Let it go. Yep. Alright. Get in a little bit with your finger.
There we go.
There you go. Perfect. Alright. Right hand up there. Just going to press down. Left hand. Pull straight back. Gentle. Doesn't require much. Keep going. Clicks in place and you're good. So now we do the next layer, and it's another back spring, just like that, that notch.
What's in that one again? This one right here?
Oh, on the large one.
There we go.